Hello, what's going on? I'm AJ. We're going to do another Roosevelt's unboxing. I've recently kind of gained a little bit of weight since becoming a dad, so I've been kind of reshuffling my orders for Roosevelt's, and I was starting to switch over to the 2XL size. My suit size is a 46 long. I'm 6 foot, 235, 245, depending on the day. Anyway, the last shirt that I just tried on, the Bizarro Superman shirt, didn't make a video for because I think the 2XL is a little too big. When I saw that the Captain America shirts went up, I said, all right, let's go back to an XL because the first Mandalorian shirt I have is an extra large and it fits great. Let's see. I kind of think that the Roosevelt sizing needs to be a little bit more consistent. Okay, so we do an unbagging. This always goes wrong. First impression, the blue is a lot lighter from what I thought it was going to be from the website, but that is fine. I'm totally cool with that. What I love about this shirt is it is super duper subtle. The A is nicely hidden. It's a really great patriotic shirt. Roosevelt's has been doing great patriotic shirts kind of the whole time. Love the shield. This is going to be like a classic for me. Just really loving the stickers they're putting out for these guys, dude. So let's give this a try. So as far as the fit goes, I definitely feel the stretch a lot better. It feels a little bit tighter on me. Not too bad. I definitely feel like I could have a drink in this and it would be okay. Let's give the spin test. Listen, when I do this, it feels comfortable. It also feels like it's totally stretching. The shirt knows that it needs to move. I don't know about it from the side, but I don't know if I would have been unhappy if I had gone for too big. I like the slimmer look. Right now, it's just inconsistent. And to give you an idea of double XL in the Bizarro, I'm gonna go grab that real quick. So this is the Bizarro Superman shirt. I had ordered the 2XL in this. Personally, I really love the design. I'm a big Superman fan. I also love Seinfeld, so the idea that they were gonna be doing a Bizarro Superman shirt was very exciting to me, but I wanna show you what it looks like on so you understand what I'm talking about here. So kind of give you an idea. This is the 2XL. When I had tried it on, I guess a couple days ago, felt much bigger, much flowier, and like not as clingy to my body, which is good. But it also felt like kind of thinner and that the fabric was a little bit different. I don't know. I just feel like this is maybe bigger than I want something a little bit more form-fitting, but I don't know if the XL works for me. I kind of need like an intermediate side of like extra large and a half. I feel like this is too big and flowy, and the extra large and the extra large is a little bit too small. I also feel like for the first time that this is a really stretchy shirt. If you like these shirts, if you like Captain America, if you like Superman, if you like Spider-Man, if you like Batman, they have a whole bunch of stuff coming out this summer too. Check out roosevelts.com. Use the discount code located right here for $20 off your first shirt, and then you guys can get into the mix as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.